Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Paper Craft Secrets. Today we are going to be making an Easter wreath. We're going to use this, which is a $12 Kmart wreath, as our starting point. And then we're going to add some beautiful paper blooms and we're going to be using this Mintay collection called Beauty in Bloom. Now this is a spring themed collection and it has a lot of beautiful floral clusters, and there's a couple little bunny rabbits, some bulbs and spring flowers, and it's going to be perfect for creating our Easter wreath. If you turn over the page here, you can see there's lots of elements that we can fussy cut out, and then we can add these into our wreath to create a beautiful Easter wreath. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. It's not going to be a really large project because most of the work is already done for us with the $12 Kmart wreath. It's got all of the eggs all around it. We've got the beautiful Mintay papers. You're also going to need some silk flowers that you can stick onto your wreath in a variety of different colours. So let's get started on creating our wreath together. finish my wreath. I really like this wreath. I love how chunky it is. It's thick. It's packed in with flowers and eggs and bunnies and nests and birds. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first time I've ever made a wreath. It was so much fun. Make sure you subscribe to my channel at Papercraft Secrets. Click the bell notification and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.